The Crutchfield Fall 2020 Discovery book features the latest gear and tips on how to get the most from it. Get your free copy today. Think your car's dashboard is too small for a touchscreen? Our article on floating screens may just change your mind. Chances are your home theater room isn't a perfect cube. We have 5 tips for getting great sound in almost any space. Are you spending way more time in your home office than before? Here are 3 ways to add great sound to your new workspace. Car Catalog Editor Matt shares his picks for the hottest gear of the season. Home Catalog Editor Dave picks his favorites from the latest home and portable audio gear. Ever wondered how we know so much about car audio installation? Simple. We do our own hands-on research, and we do it to provide you with the help and info you can't get anywhere else.